Hello everyone, it's been a while, so let's do an unboxing video, shall we? Now, in this box, there are 4 models. 2 of them are kind of like additions to the collection, and the other 2 trying to start a new division for the fictional company I have. Alright, so this package came from Roy Ferguson Sales. Let's see what's in the first one. Well, the first box I'm going to take out. Here it is, number 1. 2 traffic signals by NZG. It's good for traffic control. Box number 2. It is a Liebherr L506 wheel loader. This is on sale for 30 bucks at our Roy Ferguson Sales. Yeah, that's right, 30 bucks. A nice steal. This is the top. Oh, that looks sick. Move over, Cat 906. That's not focusing right. Oh, this is sick. I love it. Another piece by NZG. The third box. It is a Caterpillar AP600D asphalt paver made by Norscot. And this is on sale for $25. Same website. And I got twist ties on it, so I'm not going to take it out. And the last but not least. Oh, oops. It is the Atlas Copco. Is that right? Hope I said it right. Dynapac SD 2500 WS wheeled asphalt paver. Well, Atlas bought Dynapac, so this is the rebadged version of the Dynapac that was released prior to this model, because there are 2 versions of these. And this one's on sale for $65, I believe, or no, $75, I think. So 3 of the models out of this package are on sale, which is why I got multiple. The canopy goes up. Now, here in America, I've rarely seen pavers with canopies. The screed goes out. Yes, it does. Something different. Something, you know, something different than Rotec or Caterpillar. I like the color scheme of it. Reminds me of a Volvo. Alright, that about does it. Hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing video on this fine Saturday. And I will see you guys next time.